Hi guys, and konnichiwa from Tokyo. Today's video we're going to talk about noises when you're eating. So hi guys, konnichiwa from Tokyo. Yeah, this is a big one. Okay, let's start, right? They use chopsticks in Asia, okay? And as such, you can't cut your food. You're limited. A knife and a fork, you can cut it. Spoon and a fork with your pasta, you can twist it. And eating noodles with chopsticks, you're going to make some noise. It's impossible not to. The difference is they actually think it's great to make noise. So when you go to a noodle bar, udon bar, you'll see people slurping while they eat. It's considered good manners. It shows appreciation. They love it, basically. Now, this is Japan. This is their country. And that's the way they do it. With the noodles, I get it. I get it. The one thing that's a big problem for me, and I'm not saying I'm right or wrong. But when I was growing up, I was told to, eat quietly, don't make a noise, don't speak with your mouth full. The Japanese and the Asians will do all of that. They will speak with their mouth full. They will make noise when they're eating, and nobody will bat an eyelid. Again, it's just a personal thing. I don't get that one. It's a bit tough for me to put up. Well, not to put up. That's the wrong word. It's tough for me to not notice it. Let's put it that way. I do notice it a lot. And another big thing they do, especially guys when they're on their own. If they're on a date, they ain't going to do it. But if they're on their own and they're busy, they will lower their mouth to the food rather than bringing food to the mouth. Again, for me personally, I don't like that. But again, it's what they do here. So yeah, noises when you're eating. This is Asia. They do it. Get used to it. Hi guys, and thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate it. So please do go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we can keep on bringing you so much more information about life in modern Japan. Thank you.